was a fairy. Oh, she was a fairy. A true little fairy. How can I become a fairy too? Oh my god, why am I fat now? I'm so fat. Yes, you're fat. Because of size. How can... Yan. No. Okay. I will... Tutorial. Tingnan mo. Sana ka dito. Okay, so then... I almost was a fairy, but I failed with a fairy. Why do I keep dancing, bros? Bro is literally a glitch. Can I ride with you? Can you click on me so I can ride with you? Okay, then fly. Wait. Sorry, naka-record ka na? Yeah. Wait.
Na-remind ko pala
No.
hangganan nandyan kayo.
Wait.
Yung Sabado, manghiram sa akin. Kasi tata, nag-ayos
No.
good. Tata, nakasawa ni Miriam.
I was a fairy. Ma.
Sabi ko, Duday na yun. Sabi ko, saan mo nag-iuli?
Oh.
Baka kaanakin pa. Wala, mura nandun yan. Abi na, nahulang mo. Wala, kung nahiram ko yun. Nagdiretso ako doon sa lastuhan.
No.
Nagadikit po gano'n.
Wait, I'm gonna add the little fairy one. Fairy. A fairy race. Bro was a fairy at the whole time. Fairy. Then this isn't actually gonna be my avatar. Siyan. Siyan. Ano? Abi, tanawa. My wings. Oh my god. At least mine is better kasi mine is rainbow. I have that too. Oh my god! Mama, I was a fairy! You can't even with the Mom! Whoa, I was a fairy! Bro has a glitch. Oh my god! You need to be small. Yeah, Chian! Oh, never mind. Ay, siyan. Ano? Yeah. Then try to record me. Today ay nag-record naman ako. Teka. Ay. Bro almost fouled. I mean me. Record me. Yeah. And post it on YouTube. But not in full. Siyan. Ano? Siyan, look at me. Done. Pero not in full video in yung sound she was a fairy. Oh. Maybe later. Now look at me. She was a fairy. I mean there. Oh my god. Sana. Oh. Don't look at me, bruh. Why can I never be flied like a true fit? I have a huge diarrhea. Like a chiquita. We can be all fair away. See ya. Oh, I thought I float in water for a second. I have a huge. Perfect. Oh my god. Don't join me. Don't join me muna in Katulog Creator. Okay, wait. Look at me. Oh my god. Don't fly with me. Okay, wait a second. Here you go. I was a fairy. Oh, never mind. I was not a fairy anymore. Wait. I was a fairy. No! I was walking on water. You're Jesus now. I am Jesus, the world. Never mind. Oh, I am. Yes, I'm walking on water too. Oh my god, bro was... Oh, no, you're not. Don't join me na. Something is floating here. Don't join me na. What's here? Wait. What is the heck? A boat. What the heck? No. Can I see? Wait. I think it's wait. My gosh, it's a wheel. It's not a wheel. It's okay, like the flying thingy. Okay, I'm gonna join you now. Catalog avatar creator. Ricky. Ricky. Do you know Regor? Huh? Do you know Regor? Do you know Dandy's World? Yeah. Regor is the dad of
Kaya hindi ba kayo pwede maglaro na hindi ang laruan nyo?
Ghost. Yes, naabot naman ko doon. Bulo.
Yan, si Leo ay Leo.
Ha?
Nakla kapag dating mo dito, may dala-dala ka ng baby.
Ha?
Yan, Papa, oh.
Hi, Papa.
Hindi ka man maitim, maputi ka man.
Papa or Dada? Hi, Papa, bro.
Yan, Papa, oh.
Sabi ko, hi, Papa.
Ito. Napunta ako ng ano, kala ko may open, pero alam ko, hindi na holiday. Bukas may pasok mo siya. Thursday, Friday. Davao.
Siyon. Tanaw ako. I'm at spawn. Alam ka lang pa.
Gusto ko maitim. Hindi kami sigagaligo sa dagat. Hindi ka man dinagkayat.
Can you, Hellos. My face looks creepy. Can you out? Can you, wait. I'm gonna show you something creepy.
Parang nagputi ka mong gamit.
Oh no.
Ibo.
I need to do something.
Diretso ka na sa Siargao. May Cebu Siargao, di ba? Wala. May Cebu Siargao. Birthday mo, September 23. Diyan ka na. Diyan ka na mag-birthday. Oh, ikaw. Ate Siargao. Sa November ka pumunta. Ako sabi ni, may pinadala si Papa sa akin na pumunta sa Maynila.
Daddy, wanna my look at your pirate now? No. What the? Say hi to
dito.
Ha, Abby. So, we will alam mo,
Tawa
nag-egg
ni
si Abby, ha?
Punta ng Manila o may emergency.
Ba? Uy.
Payat ka konti eh.
Talaga may shoulder.
Jogging ka sa tabing dagat. Paris, oo, Paris. Yung kumpletong Paris.
Mata, sige.
Kita ko ba si
Baby
Benteng
Gojo.
sa may
Oh my God, Gojo. Wait, what, Abby? Huh?
Isang beses lang yun.
Yan? Where'd
Trabaho
you
naman daw
search
siya ngayon
those
online.
things? Stars or catalog?
Isang beses lang yun. Sabi niya magpunta siya dito,
This
kunin niya
one?
yung racket niya.
No, your whole outfit. Okay.
Doon naman yung tuto ni Ian malapit. Malapit sa kanila, yung may puno ng mangga gold. Dito ko magdala sa mga school, may puno ng mangga. Diyan naman ang ano yan, sige, yung dating nangyuluto outlet, yan. Tapos pagpaluto. Malapit na sa kanila. Kaya anong may pumuntahan kami nila, Jo. Ito paki ano, isang beses lang yun. Lapit lang. Doon ako na nagsundo.
So, bring your own world and live over world. Oh my God, yeah, it's also SE fun too.
Sabi ko si Aliyah kayo na kung dito lang kami. Sabi niyo daw yung racket.
Nah, that's fake. Because I have that outfit. That's fake. I have that
Ano
outfit.
nag-tennis lang.
I'm going to be Danger Oliver. You're going to be Danger Abby. Okay, sige. Wait. But don't. Okay, fine, fine. I'm gonna be Danger Abby. View.
Parang opening naman. Pero nawala sa mga oval yung ano
I'm going to be Minnie, but
sinula nila. Ganun talaga. Sino ka na ba ng damit mo?
Sian.
Kami lang namin dyan. Hindi mahirap ka ng tubig?
No. Oh my God, my gum is oh my God.
Kaya ka ng puti sa tubig.
Sorry, don't you what the? Meow. 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 You're so small.
Huwag kang gabi, magsahod na kayo kung kanibo. No, huwag kayo direct sa gabi.
Meow. Tanggal pala. Bro,
Ha?
Don, you can change your name to Oliver in the settings. Player.
Nasa sa gabi ang trabaho. Hindi mo lang dinala yung ano mo. Parang
Now you're in Oliver, look.
nasa malaking bag.
Look. Look. Broda and... We are Broda and Broda. Ha?
Oo.
Bye, Sian. Saan ka? Kaon.
Luto ka hotdog?
Oo, pila na ba siya?
Oo, luto ka. Apilan mo sabi ka pakainin ko ulit. Ginawa si Jessie.
Sian, masagat.
Oh, sige, sige.
Pila, duha to lo.
Duha lang.
Ay, tuta.
Ikuan mo, pag-ginilas na eh. Kinahiglas mga kuan mo. Pag-ginilas ito. Ano ka ba? Ano ginilas?
Ay, okay. Then do it. Then do it. To?